Shraddha, hi!
Hi.
I have a surprise again for you today.
Wow! It's for me?
It's for you, yes.
Kanda!
What is this?
It's a surprise.
Okay, what is this?
It's a surprise.
It's a sand art kit.
Okay.
Yes. You ready?
Yes.
Yeah. What is this?
It's a lady.
It's a mermaid.
Mama.
How many mermaids are there?
One mama, two mama, three mama, five.
Yes. So we'll
Cool.
start doing this, okay? I hope you are very excited. Yes? Okay, let's do it. Let's open this.
Let's sing.
Open. Surprise! Wow, nice.
Yes.
Keto. One,
Two,
two,
three,
three,
and four.
four. Wow, it's very nice, no?
1, 2, 3.
Wow,
Ten.
it's a sand kit. How many are there, Shraddha?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, they have given
It's fine.
sand also. Okay, color sands and some beads and glue. We'll do this?
Yes.
Yes, okay. We have sand and sequins here. We have one mermaid picture here. So which color you want to give, Shraddha, for the first mermaid?
I want pink.
Okay, let's give pink. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, I'll help you in sticking, okay?
Let's give
Help you, okay? To stick. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's do it.
Let's go.
Wow, it is very nice, no? We'll do all the rest in the next video. Bye.
Bye.